Number one is it's clogged on the roof. A lot of times I'd get to a customer's house, they'd say they can't use their dryer, they don't know what's wrong with it. Some of them even had other companies come and clean the dryer vent, but they didn't clean on the roof. And if the roof vent is completely clogged, or if the vent comes out to the side and is completely clogged, then your clothes are not going to dry no matter what you do, because the air and the heat and the lint have to have somewhere to go. That's the whole point of having a dryer vent. So make sure that you get your dryer vent, roof vent checked at least once a year. And if your dryer is not working properly, it could quite possibly be caused by a clogged roof vent. Another reason why your dryer is not drying properly could be that it is disconnected in the attic. A lot of times when they put these together, they don't use the best material, or if you have someone doing work inside of your attic, like on the AC or something like that, or electrical, they might have disconnected it by accident. Or there's a lot of things, if you got a new roof recently, they could have not forgot to attach it. But if you don't have it attached in the attic, all the lint and air is going to be blowing into the attic, and it's not going to have the proper ventilation, and your clothes are not going to dry properly. Reason number three is that the vent is simply smushed behind the dryer. A lot of times when the dryer gets pushed back, depending on what type of transition vent you use, it could be getting smushed. I recommend using Dryer Flex, and there's a link down below, and this one is crush resistant and kink resistant. Or you could just make sure that when you push the dryer back that it is not getting crushed or ripped or anything like that. The next reason, number four, is it could be clogged on the inside. The inside of the dryer could collect lint over the years, and some of the parts could get completely clogged with lint, causing the dryer not to dry properly. Reason number five is your vent can be completely clogged. So not on the roof, but the whole inside of the vent could be completely clogged with lint. Over time, pieces of fabric called lint get stuck in the dryer vent, and it doesn't matter if you clean your lint tray every time, it still gets past it. And it is very important to clean your dryer vent at least once a year. So if your dryer is having difficulty drying, it could be that your whole dryer vent is completely clogged. So definitely check to see if it's clogged.